Sugar cube in cold water, 2 minutes 40 seconds. Same cube in boiling water, 8 seconds. Same sugar. Why is there such a massive difference? That difference is the rate of dissolving, how quickly a solute dissolves in a solvent. Temperature is the most dramatic factor that controls it. Heat gives solvent particles more energy. They move faster, collide harder with the solute, and break it apart more quickly. More heat, faster dissolving. Here are experiment results. Same sugar, same water, 5 different temperatures. Watch the time drop as temperature rises. Every time temperature goes up, time goes down. That is an inverse relationship. A line graph is the perfect tool to show it. Step 1. Draw the axes. Horizontal line along the bottom, x-axis. Vertical line up the side, y-axis. Every graph starts with these 2 lines. Step 2. Label both axes. X-axis, temperature in degrees C, what you control. Y-axis, time to dissolve in seconds, what you measure. Always include the unit in brackets. Step 3. Choose the scale. Temperature runs 0 to 100, steps of 20 on the x-axis. Time runs 0 to 120, steps of 20 on the y-axis. Equal steps, always. Step 4. Plot the points. Find each temperature on x. Go up to the matching time on y. Mark a cross. 5 temperatures, 5 crosses. Step 5. Draw the line. Not dot to dot with a ruler. One smooth, best fit curve flowing through all 5 points following the trend. Freehand. Like this. Step 6. Add a title. The effect of temperature on the time taken for sugar to dissolve. 6 steps. Every box ticked. Full marks graph. Now read the graph. At 70 degrees, not in our data. Find 70 on x. Go up to the curve. Read across to y. Approximately 30 seconds. That is interpolation. Describe the trend. Common exam question. As temperature increases, the time taken to dissolve decreases. Learn this formula. It works for any graph in any exam. 3 things. Label axes with units in brackets. Draw a smooth freehand curve. Never ruler dot to dot. Write your trend statement using the formula. That is full marks. 5 data points. A smooth curve. And now you can predict dissolving times at any temperature you never even tested. That is the hidden genius of a line graph. I'm Mr. G. Now you know.